where we are this morning. And so, Brent, we're out here now. We've got our PFDs on. And we're going to talk about what is going to happen to someone if they go overboard and don't necessarily have one of these on.
Exactly. So Mike has volunteered this morning to jump in this cold water. We got a wetsuit for him, so he'll be fine because the water is cold this time of year. So I think he needs a bit of persuasion getting in the water. Maybe you can help him with that.
Oh, look it. I think I see a fish swimming by there.
So what we're going to
Breathe! Woo!
What we're going to do now is simulate if somebody does fall overboard, you know, for example, let's say while the boat is underway, the first thing you want to do is throw anything inflatable to them whatsoever. Obviously, ideally, it's a PFD to get to them. Okay. But, you know, depending what's ever close to you, get something to them that they can hold on to. So in this situation, Mike doesn't have a PFD on. He should, but he doesn't. So we're going to simulate how to put this personal flotation device on if you're in the water. And this is something you should practice, you know, in July, in shallow water, when the water's warm.
Nice and warm.
So basically here, you want to make sure that the PFD is facing up, which Mike has got it in the right direction now. And you want to make sure the neck is facing you. So you can see the neck there is facing Mike. Yeah. You want to open it outwards, and then you want to put both your arms through. So this is not like the way you would put it on shore.
Right.
And then Mike's going to flip it back over his head. You can see it's not as easy as it looks.
Yeah.
So flip it back over his head.
Yeah.
And then buckle it on.
This is a must practice with the kids. Absolutely, every family should be doing this.
Well, even when you do go and buy a new PFD, you want to test them first too. So you do this in shallow water. You walk in, you know, buckle them up, make sure they fit snug. Some of them, you know, you can adjust them, and then test it out. Make sure it's working good before you use it. Don't just assume that it's fine.